So how do you motivate the unmotivated? Here are 3 strategies. Give power to the people. Stop focusing on performance-based pressure. Empower your team members to achieve their tasks without micromanaging them. Encourage employees to take risks, to generate off-the-wall ideas, to ask dumb questions, and get creative. When given the opportunity to experiment and see their own ideas succeed, your employees will feel excited and motivated to engage more fully with their jobs. Walk in their shoes. Tenured managers and leaders sometimes forget what it was like for them when they were just starting out in their career. Take a moment and imagine yourself dealing with the everyday stresses and problems of your frontline team. Consider what would have been helpful for you at the beginning of your career and offer that level of support and guidance to your team. Be human. Stop the stuffy corporate mumbo jumbo. Communicate with transparency and authenticity. Be real, and don't forget to have a sense of humor. Adapt a more casual nature in your conversation and treat team members as equals, no matter where they are on the corporate ladder. Your newer employees and emerging leaders want to be on a peer level with their leaders. Let them. Creating a rockstar workplace culture doesn't happen by itself. Use these tips to motivate your employees to higher engagement and performance levels.